Being an instructor at Nicolay College, they require 14,000 hours of industry experience. So every one of our instructors comes directly from industry. We also require you to be a weld test conductor and a CWI through American Weld Society. We try to connect our students to industry as much as possible. We understand what is expected from our local employers with attendance policies, the work ethic, the positive attitude to make them an asset for that company. Nicolay gives you the biggest bang for your buck. Our tuition for our welding program, our one-year technical program, is right around $6,000 to $7,000 compared to a lot of the local private institutions that are range from $25,000 to $30,000. We also put a lot of our content online. Our books are online. We try to cut costs on books. We also allow our students to actually work in industry and be a student here at Nicolay. We also have scholarships that go right directly to our students in our program. There's roughly around 30 to 32 scholarships we offer just in the welding program. Typically, students do not get a scholarship because they don't apply. Our curriculum is very relevant. Basically, our curriculum is derived right from our local employers. Our main goal is, number one, make our students successful. And also, when they do get hired in our local community, there are no surprises when they get on the shop floor. We offer a lot of different type of certificates, the smallest one being SMAW, which is 6 credits. From there, we branch up to our GMAW certificate, which is 9 credits. From there, we work into our one-year tech diploma, which is 2 semesters. Now, currently, we also offer 1 semester of fabrication. So when our students leave here, they could have 3 semesters of experience, which will make them a bigger asset on the shop floor for our local employers.
There's 2 ways to go through the program. There's the CBE or the cohort model. I'm in the cohort model, which is 4 days a week, 8 till 2. A couple hours lecture, a couple hours in the lab, and mixes it up really well between learning the theory behind it and the hands-on experience.
The career pathways of our one-year tech diploma and our fabrication programs are endless. We have students that become welders, fabricators, cost estimators. We even had a few students start their own business. So here we don't just focus on welding fabrication. We also have an inspection side where students can become CWIs, weld quality, people on the shop floor. Secure job field with high demand. Being a one-year tech diploma, it's very short. Your return on investment is immediate. If our program is taught hands-on, that's where you learn the skills of welding. That's where you spend most of your time in the weld booth. 10% of our program is the theory portion and lecture components of like print reading, weld symbols, and the theory behind each welding process. We have 2 models that we follow. We have our cohort model. That is basically a student is here from 8 to 2, Monday through Thursday. Required attendance. They're basically in front of the instructor 4 days a week. Then we also offer our CB Flex model. This is compatible for somebody that is working during the day. They can only get in at certain times. They'll sign up for less credits. They'll come in on their own time, typically in the evenings. If you want to learn more about the welding program, feel free to contact us here at Nicolay.